Hi there everybody, in today's video I'm going to be changing the front wiper blades on this Honda Civic 2003. Got my wiper blades here. This is the side, this is this one here, which is smaller than the one on the driver's side. It's a TV38. So basically we need to remove this one. I'm going to try to get focus here. Of how to remove it. So that's the little mechanism there. And basically, if we twist that open, like so, you can then push it back. So the idea is get it open, push it back on the metal clamp in there, and then just take it out from this hole. So now we can fit the new one in. And that's pretty much it, really. So the same procedure applies for the driver's side wiper blade. Be careful not to drop this onto your windscreen, or it will crack it. And that's why I lower it while I get the new wiper blade. Okay. So I'll just fit it into the hook from this hole, and push it up. And that's it. So, hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.